Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, GHA family and friends. We are back with another homework helper video, and this one is for 6th grade. We have just cracked open module 2, and we are in lesson 3. So I'm going to do a couple of examples for you to help you along. So the first one says, for the following exercises, because there's 4 of them, we're going to rewrite the division expression in unit form. Then we are going to find the quotient, okay? So the first one says 4/5 divided by 1/5. Four-fifths divided by 1/5. So they want you to solve this, but first let's put it in unit form, okay? So when we say unit form, that means we're gonna write the denominators in words, okay? In word form. So we have 4/5 divided by 1/5. Okay, so you need to write the problem like that, and then you need to solve it. So we're going to solve using our algorithm. We know the first step is to change our operation. So we're going to go from division, turn it into a multiplication problem. We keep our first fraction the same, and we flip, or we take the reciprocal of 1/5, which is 5/1. And then we can multiply across for our product or quotient. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have 5 times 1 is 5. We are left with an improper fraction, which we need to change into an we have an improper fraction, which we need to change into a mixed number. Okay, so here's how we do that. We take our answer, 20/5, and fractions are a lot like division problems. So we're gonna see how many times 5 can go into 20. And we know 5 can go into 24 times exactly. So there will be no mixed number, there'll just be a whole number of 4, okay? So you can go ahead and put 4 here. 4/5 divided by 1/5 is 4, okay? All right. That's your first example. In the next section, it says we're going to rewrite the expression in unit form again and find the quotient. So we have, let's look at number 5. We have 10/3 divided by 2/3. So we have 10/3. That's how you would say that, 10/3 and 2/3. And so if both of our denominators are thirds, then that is going to be our unit, okay? So number 5, check this out. It says 10/3, or 10/3, divided by 2/3. So we have our problem. Let's put it in unit form. We have 10/3 divided by 2/3. This is where I'm getting thirds from. Okay, those 3's right there, the denominators of our fractions. Okay, so now we can go ahead and solve. We have 10/3 divided by 2/3. The first step, we change our operation. So we're going from division to multiplication. We're going to keep our first fraction the same, and we're going to take the reciprocal of 2/3. That's 3/2. Okay, so let's multiply across. We have 10 times 3, which is 30. And then we have 3 times 2, which is 6. So again, we ended up with an improper fraction that we're going to need to change into a mixed number. So we'll take our improper fraction and put it here. Fractions are like division problems, so we can see how many times does 6 go into 30. All right, so 6 goes into 30. Let's count. We got 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. So 5 times. 6 goes into 30 evenly, so we do not have a mixed number, we just have a whole number. So our answer here is going to be 5. So this is what I'm looking for on the homework, and this is what I'm looking for on the homework, your algorithm. Then if you have an improper fraction, which we did here, you need to change it to a mixed number or find the whole number, okay? All right, have a good evening.